ngilapha nje akusikuthanda kwami thanda kwenkosi.
Hi, I'm Lebohang, soon to be Mrs. Mukosi. Today is the 23rd of March 2024. We are here for my big day, my welcoming ceremony and my traditional wedding. We are here in Tshivenda, all the way from Klerksdorp in the Northwest Province, and we are here to celebrate my wedding. Above all, I'm so happy. I feel so nervous right now, but surely can't wait for the ceremony to begin and for everything to proceed. I would like to say to my husband that I love you so much. You know that I respect you and I will forever do. I commit myself to be your wife for the rest of your life. Akusikuthanda kwami thanda kwenkosi nabakithi abalele ngoba abanye bayasokola ikati lele siko abanye bayasokola awukonko kuhle nomusa yangilandela obimpili yangivuma oniswele milomo yokubonga obimpili yangivuma ikhulekela inkonzo yokusijabana kuzehlisa iphila kimi njalo ngilokhu ngisoko benjalo anohlalo nami njenjalo
ngilapha nje akusikuthanda kwami thanda kwenkosi nabakithi abalele ngoba abanye bayasokola ikati lele siko abanye bayasokola
ngibonge ithuba